But you'd like to see my walled garden, which I created from scratch over the period of about 7-8 years. That's the maple I planted about 6-7 years ago, and it's winter, February, here in the southwest UK, and there's a Mexican orange there, also known as Schwazia rather, and little ornament that I found in rye. I've been wanting one of those for years, with little cherubs on it. The swing I put up myself, and this is euphorbia, which was growing somewhere else, but I moved it and it's doing well there. And behind that is all the stinking iris, which fills a sort of shady spot quite nicely. You can't kill it. I put the Portiana here just to fill a little shady spot. It doesn't really flower very much, but it's a swamp lily. It's a bit shady over there for the swamp lily. I threw some bluebell bulbs in that someone gave me in the compost heap. Got lots of bluebells in amongst the euphorbia. I've left the weeds this year because I think it might be a dry March like it was last year, so hence I'll do those once they go into flower. I'll pull them out because I don't really want them seeing themselves. This is a new rose I planted, which is Peter Beale's roses, and a plum tree which I'm going to move because it's a bit close to the house, and those are irises, believe it or not, in February. It wasn't cold enough, or I can't work out whether it was too cold or the rains brought them on. I think it might be all the rain. These are the willows, which I grew from just sticks. Went to a little willow weaving day with the children years ago, and those are the result of that. And here's my hard landscaping, which is my second attempt at it. Little flower bed of French lavender, marigold, calendula, and some salvia in there. And I put a few bulbs in last autumn. They're coming up nicely, and hopefully the nemesia will survive. It's looking a bit shabby. Some hyacinths in there. They're looking a bit shabby too. I don't think they like all that rain. That's my woodland garden. I sort of went with the trees really. All the mature trees dictated the feel of the garden. There's an olive tree I planted probably 10 years ago now, and here we'll have some sweet peas growing up, which I photographed before and put on my website. They look nice in the summer. Bye-bye for now.